Hello, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time watching my video, I want you to just subscribe to this channel right now and make sure you turn on the notification bell. So anytime I upload new videos, you get the notification. In this video, we are going to learn how to design a flyer like this. The same thing. We're going to learn how to design this in CorelDraw. So what I will do is I'm going to open my CorelDraw. I have my CorelDraw installed and I'm doing this in the CorelDraw version 2022 version. So if you don't have it, there's a link in the description. You can send us a message and then we will send you the link. This is Advanced Academy. What we do is we teach skills like this for graphic designing, video editing, website development, and skills, different kind of skills. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to design a flyer for church like the one I showed you. So I've opened my CorelDraw. I'll go and click on new document. When I click on new document, it opens a new page for me to work on. Now when you open the CorelDraw like this version for the first time, check if the color mode you have is brighten or is dark. How do you get that? Go to tools on the menu bar, go to color management, and then go to primary color mode, click on CMYK and choose RGB. Then click on OK so that your colors will be brightened. Now we have to set the size for our design. I'll make sure my unit is in inches. Then I'll come here and then type 8, and I'll type 8 here too, meaning I'm doing my design in 8 by 8 inches. And I'll just click outside here like this. I'll have the page like this. It's 8 by 8 inches, so you can see it. Now let me go in and bring my resources. So I'm going to bring the design inside it like this, leave it here. This is what we are going to design. Put it here like this. Then I'll go and bring the pictures of the pastors. So these are the pictures of the pastors. I'll bring them like this. These are the pictures of the pastors. These are 2 pictures for the pastors. Now this one is Dr. Mensa Otabel, and this one is Dr. Gideon Titi Ofe. Now this particular picture has an excess space around it. You can see it has an empty space around it, so I have to crop it. So I'll pick my crop tool here like this. Then I will crop the picture like this. Crop it like this. Yeah. Make sure you don't cut the picture, okay? Just crop the excess space out like this. Then click on the pick tool. Now we are going to design this in a few minutes. Just pay attention and you will get the whole step, okay? Don't be confused. Don't think it's too difficult. This is very simple to design. So before we start, you have to sample these colors down because we are copying the same principle. We are going to sample the colors down. Click on these 2 here. It is called color eyedropper, or how to pick a color. Click on that too and pick this color here. Click on that 2 again and pick this part of the N. Click on the 2 again and pick this color of T. Click on the 2 again and pick this color of the red. So you have their colors down. However, this red is gradient. One part is darker than one. When we get there, we know how to do it. Okay. All right. Now their logo, we will pick the logo after. Let's focus on the design now. Okay. All right. So now let's click on this tool. It is called rectangle tool. Okay. Click on it and then draw a shape like this. Just draw a shape like this. Okay. Very good. When you finish drawing the shape like that, click on the pick tool and give the shape this color. Take off the black line around this shape by going here and click on none. Adjust the shape like this. Now bring Dr. Mensa Otabel picture. Click on it and make it smaller like this. Then bring it here like this. Now what happens if something is behind an object? Use your keyboard shortcut key. So pay attention. Press the shift key and press the page up key. Then the picture will come to the front. Okay. All right. So let's bring this man's picture to as well. Bring it here. This one too is behind because we brought the pictures first before we create the shape. So the picture is behind the shape. The same process. Press the shift key on your keyboard, then press the page up key. Okay. Your page up key may not be in full. It may be PG. Just notice the PG up. Okay. Or the page up key. Okay. All right. Now, how do you do that with mouse? Let me undo this and show you. right click on the object behind, that is if you can see it, then go to order, then go to in front of page, or go to front of layer, then it will come to the front. Okay, all right, so we are going to adjust these two pictures here like this. We're going to make this one big like this, make it big like this. Then we're going to make this one too big a bit like this, make it big like this. Then you're going to click on this one, and then click on the click on the tool that is called transparency, and then blend the background of the master whatever pictures like this. Perfect. Make sure it is straight like this. Don't careful like this. Don't do it like this. Make sure it's straight like this. The same thing. Click on this man's picture and click it drag down like this. I think his picture is too big. Let's make it smaller like this. Perfect. Bring it to the top like this. Click on this tool again and adjust it. I think that's fine for now. Okay. So then what do? You see the picture is beyond the frame we created. This frame that we created, the blue behind them. We are going to crop the picture to match the frame because the pictures are beyond the frame. So click on the picture, click on the crop tool here, and crop the picture against the frame like this. Like this. Have you seen? Perfect. Good. Click on this one too. The same process. Click on it, pick the crop tool, and crop it like this against the frame. Okay. Perfect. That's good. Now we're going to type their names. Okay, let's type their names first. Click on this text tool and come here and type Dr. Press the enter key, Mensa. Press the enter key again, Otabel. You see, now come to the pick tool and make it smaller like this, and then bring it to this place. Zoom in to see it well. I have to change the font. I have a font here. I will use the font name is Montserrat, so I have to search for it here. Montserrat. 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 So this is the font Montserrat. I will use the extra bold here. Then you can see that I will change the color of the text to white by clicking here. Then the space between the text is becoming very big, right? Very wide. I'll click on the shape tool, then I'll close the space like this. Perfect. Then click on the picture again. Come here, this thing you're seeing here, and click on align right. Perfect. That will put the name on the align right. Make it small like this. Copy this name by Ctrl+C and paste it by Ctrl+V. Then break it down here. Okay, bring it down here. Then you're going to type this pastor's name here. His name is Dr. Gideon Ofe. So here you're going to click on the text and click on the text tool. Then you're going to select this one because the doctor is there already. Then type Gideon. Gideon. Then press the enter key. TT-Ofe. That is it. So I think you are correct. Gideon Ofe. So you are correct. That is it. Now we have arranged the pictures like that. Now pick the text tool again and type the theme that is Next Great Leader Summit. Okay, so type Next in capital letter. Press the enter key and type Great. Press the enter key and type Leader. Press the enter key and type Summit. Perfect. Now click on the pick tool. Let's go and use the same font we use for the name. That is the Montserrat extra bold font. Click on it, and then the space between them is wider as well. Don't worry, just click on the shape tool and then make it small like this. Have you seen it? Good. If you check the text very well, they are very close to each other. So I'm going to use this one here. We're going to use this one here to make it like this. Perfect. So you close the space between them, then make it big. then you make it big like this. Please don't hold here, it will deform the text. Don't hold here, it will deform the text. Just make it big like this. Perfect. Bring it down. Just bring it down here. Just bring it down. Perfect. Give it this color. This color. Perfect. Copy and paste it and give it this color. Now click on the tool we use to fade the down of the picture. That is the transparency tool. And click on the E here and drag it to the chin. Have you seen? You are creating the gradient we are seeing here. Do it like that. Perfect. Now we are done with this one. Click on this tool. We used it before, so you should know the name by now. Click on it and come to the top here and create this shape like this. Have you seen it? That's very good. Now give it the red color we pick. Go here to take up the black line around the shape. Click on the pick tool. Now this shape we have here, we are going to create this thing you're seeing here, right? Now bring the shape down small and make it like this. I think you should select all of this and move it to the top by using the top arrow key on the keyboard. Okay, good. Now click on this one, go to the shape tool. Let's convert this thing to curve. Go to object on the menu bar, go to convert to curve. That is Ctrl plus Q. Click on it, then click on the shape tool. Double click on this line here to create a node. Double click here to create a node again. Now double click here to create a node and bring it down like this. Just like this. Have you seen? Very good. When you are done, pick the text tool and type there. Here, type there. Click on the pick tool, make it small like this and make it white. This is a white color, or you can pick it from here. Good. Come here and pick the same font we are using. Very good. That is fine. Now we have to pick their logo. So click on their old design, press Ctrl plus C to copy it, then press Ctrl plus V to paste it, then put it aside because you've made a copy of it, right? We are going to crop the logo from here. Click on the crop tool and crop the logo like this. Perfect. Click on crop here. Then click on the pick tool and drag this logo to this part like this. So we just sample their logo from here to our design. Now you are good here like this. Here you're going to click on the pick tool and come here and type theme like this. Okay, click on the pick tool and make it small like this and give it the red color we sample. Then type the theme that's high performance thinking. High performance thinking, that's what I think. Yeah, click on the pick tool and make it smaller like this. But the font they have here is very tiny, so we will maintain our font here. Just double click on the text, select the theme and make it bold here like this. Perfect. Click on the pick tool. They're good to go. So we have the theme like this. Put it here like this. Now you're going to click on the text tool again and type Friday in short dot 28 and then type June in capital letter. Click on the pick tool and then give it this blue color. Perfect. And then let's just go and pick the same font we use here. I like this font so much. Do it like this. So we're going to type this Wesley Towers in the same font. So instead of it to go and pick the text tool and come and type again, just copy this by Ctrl C and paste it by Ctrl V and bring it down like this. Now click on the text tool, select all of them, or press Ctrl A to select all of them, then type Wesley Towers. Wesley cows. Exactly like this. If you are done like this, click on your text tool, then type the small information down there. That is, click here and type ambassadorial. Click on the pick tool and make this text smaller because it's very small like this. Give it the same blue color we use. I think it's in small case, right? Click on the pick tool, sorry, the text tool on the menu bar. Go to change case and go to sentence case. Perfect. Click on the text twice. It will open the text for you. Then give space and type the enclave like this. Enclave, comma, opposite, UBA. Press the enter key to come down. Head office near World Trade Center, Accra. Perfect. Click on the pick tool. Click on this tool, okay, and create this shape like this. Give it the red color. Take off the black line around it by going here. Click here. Click on the pick tool and click on the text tool and type 4 p.m. like this. Click on this pick tool. Come here and pick the same font we are using like this. Make it smaller like this and bring it here and give it white color like this. Perfect. Now let's move this right to the top small like this and move this up here to the top here like this. So now we're going to create this information here, then we are done. I think I have to move my things to the top small because the space down. Okay, let me select all the pictures and the frame like this and make it big small so I can have more space down there. Exactly. So I'm going to pick this tool again, and I'll create this space like this, then I'll give it this color for now. I'll give it this color for now. I'll give it this color for now. Then I'll pick my text tool and type free attendance. Click on the pick tool like this. Give it this yellow color and make it small like this. Okay, before we continue, you see the way this shape is gradient like this, the same thing we did here, right? So once we have this one, copy and paste, give it this color, click on this tool and then do it like this. Click and drag to the top like this, like the same thing we did here. Okay, it shouldn't be difficult for you. Perfect. Then click on the pick tool, select it like this and bring the text to front by shift plus pitch up key, like the way you did it to the pictures coming to the front of the layers. Okay, so you have this text like this. The font that they use here is very tiny, so let's just use this area font here and give it this bold color. Make it smaller like this. Click on the text tool again and type the strictly by registration. So strictly by registration. Registration at. Click on the pick tool, make it small like this. Give it white color because it's white. Bring it down like this. Like this. Okay. Now click on the text tool again and type the link you're seeing here. This is a link. You can see this link. That's what we are going to type there. Then we are done. Okay. So click on the text tool and type the link. The link is t of .com /event. Then click on the pick tool, make it small like this, give it the same yellow color like this, then bring it down like this. It's a link, so it's been underlined, so click on underline here. You're seeing here. Perfect. So you can see their red is gradient, right? Their red is gradient. So let's click on our red here, copy by Ctrl C and paste by Ctrl V. And I taught you how to mix a color, right? If you don't know, just hold your Ctrl key on the keyboard and click on the black here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you have mixed the black with the red, which is a deeper red. Click on these two. The same idea we use to create the gradient in the text here. Use the same idea here. Click on these two here and then make it like this. Have you seen it? Perfect. Now click on the pick tool. Select the there like this. Don't select all. Just select the there like this. Shift plus page up to bring it to the front of the page. That is all. Then we are done. We are done. Look at the design. You've just copied the same thing, and that is what we have here. I think this should be simple for you. You don't have to have a problem with this. Okay. All right. So now let's give our design a background. We don't have a background. We just do it on the page we created, right? Okay. Let me adjust it well. I select all and I do it like this. So now let's give it a background. Double click on this tool here. It will give you an outline around the whole page. Okay. Click on the pick tool. Take out the black outline around the whole page. Now let's save it. Let's save it first as a project file. Then we save it outside the software. So go to File on the menu bar. Go to Save, and then give it a file name. I'll give it the name Church Poster. Dr. Mensa. I'll do that like that. Then I'll save it. Know where your file is saving to. Very important. Then let's save it outside the software. I'll go to File on the menu bar and I'll go to Export. The shortcut key is Ctrl plus E. Click on it. Then the file name will appear already. Then just come here and select JPEG bitmap like this. Click on it and click on Export. That is it. It's showing here. Click on OK. Your file is ready. Let me show you. I'll go to where I save my own. Yours may be saved in your document or on the desktop. Okay. All right. This is my design. This is the design we did right now. Just follow the process and you will be able to do this. If you want to get access to the pictures we use, the font we use, there's a link in the go to the YouTube where we type the description for this design. You will see the link there, and then just send us a message. Then we send the pictures and the font we use. This is Art Brands Academy. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this, and don't forget to leave a comment so anytime we upload a new video, we get it first. Thank you, and I'll see you in our next video.